Believe it or not, but this type of bird could actually kidnap you. The harpy eagle is basically what you'd get if a bird hit the gym every single day. This thing isn't just an eagle, it's a feathered tank. Its claws are literally the size of a grizzly bear's. Its grip can snap bones, and it can lift animals heavier than itself straight off the ground. And the best part? It looks like it walked straight out of a fantasy movie with that helmet-looking head and intense stare. The harpy eagle is the top predator of the rainforest for a reason,